Introducing the Deluxe Kitchen Crop Sprouter. The Kitchen Crop Deluxe Sprouter uses a hydrophobic irrigation system. Extra water remains in each tray when dry seeds are first started, eliminating the need for pre-soaking. In 1 to 2 days, the seeds germinate and most of the water will drain from the trays, leaving just enough to keep the sprouts from drying out. No soil is required. Each seed has everything it needs to grow. You don't need to add soil or fertilizer to get your seeds to grow. Just add water. The Kitchen Crop Deluxe Sprouter has a higher germination rate than other sprouting methods. Due to the hydrophobic irrigation system, this sprouter produces much higher germination rates and requires much less seed, saving you money. Stackable trays allow for flexible growing. Stackable trays enable you to grow large batches or start a new tray each day, so you will always have your favorite sprouts ready to eat. Use one tray or stack up to 10 trays at a time. Grow a variety of different sprouts at the same time. The Kitchen Crop Deluxe Sprouter utilizes BPA-free, durable plastic trays. Polypropylene trays are BPA-free and very durable. A simple-to-use reservoir lid. The reservoir lid meters the flow of water to the seed trays and allows watering without displacing the seeds in the trays below. Get your Deluxe Kitchen Crop Sprouter today.